Well, we're about 6 miles from the Hoh Rainforest and we are stuck in line and it's not moving. So we've read that it can take 1 to 2 hours to get into the rainforest if you get stuck in this line, and it's encouraged that you get in this line before 9 a.m. But because we were trying to make low tide at Rialto Beach before we came here, we didn't make it at 9 a.m. or before, so we're hanging out. Ava, how's it going? What are you eating?
Strawberries.
Strawberries. Zara's knocked out. Finally, lack of sleep is catching up to her.
Nana's doing her hair. I need some lotion.
Isha's looking for lotion. Maybe I could get out and maybe see this line, maybe.
Can I see it?
A few moments later.
Oh, I got that. Hold on. Good, how are you? We just need to pay for the day.
Okay. And then your receipt is your pass. It is good for 7 days and you're in the Olympics. So head on.
Okay, so we just go up here and... Okay, thank you. So it did not take us an hour like we thought. There was a little bit of a wait, but not super long. So now we are parked back here and we're headed to the trails. Ready?
Yeah. We'll see you later, alligators.
What do you see?
Tadpole.
Tadpole?
Tadpole.
Can you see a tadpole?
Yeah, two of them.
I don't think I see any tadpoles.
Look.
Oh, I do.
Come see it, Nina. Yeah? Come see it. Oh, it's at the bottom. Nina, look. Right at the bottom, right there.
Oh, yeah.
Is that tadpole?
Oh,
Mommy says it's a fish. I
it could be a fish.
I think it's a tadpole. Whoa!
Whoa. Come on, kiddos.
I'm sure we're gonna find more interesting stuff.
Come on, baby. Go catch them. Watch your step with the roots. Okay.
Just going slow. Just take it slow.
Watch your step.
Is this
Ooh,
small?
careful.
We're getting there.
Keep following the trail. Not too fast. What do you have? You can't carry all those home. There's so many. There's so many. What are you gonna do with all those rocks? Just, okay. Let's go catch up to Ava.
What?
1. Okay, let's go.
No.
Yep, let's go, baby.
What?
Come on. I don't know if you're gonna be able to hold them.
Mommy, take a picture.
Okay. Going up. Just need to be back.
Do you remember that one trail we went on? And Ava stood on a log.
Oh yeah, the last time we did this and Ava disappeared behind the back of the log.
Zara.
Whoa! What's that? Geese poop?
Zara,
There's no geese over here, Zara. Too far. Come here.
Ava, grab your sister, please.
You done over there? We're gonna keep walking. Our hike in the Hoh Rainforest is coming to an end. We're making our way back down around the end of the loop here. Headed back to the car. Don't get a splinter, Zara.
Don't stay on trail.
Later.
Heading to the beach, but actually, the tree of life.
Yeah.
But there is a beach, so we might have time to play. Mama.
Maybe. We've been out all day. It's been a long day. But this beach is nice and sandy, and it's kind of warm. So we're told that the Tree of Life is really, really close to the campground parking lot. So apparently it's like right around the corner.
Oh, my precious. Oh, I'm rich.
It's about 100 yards, but coming up on it over here. So we came down these stairs, and it's right over here in this little pocket. So this is what people are calling the Tree of Life, because there's like no dirt, no land under here for this tree to grow out of. It's growing out of the sides from where the water, when the tide comes in, has washed away at the land, and so it's like growing over this empty space. And so it's pretty cool looking, and it's like crazy that it's still living. What are you guys doing?
Building rocks.
Building rocks. Nana, what is this?
Making a rock tower.
Dark.
Nana is making a super zen rock tower over here. Ooh, careful. Balance. Whoa, look what you made. Look, are you having fun? Yeah? What are you doing? Building? Yeah? Uh-huh. You made a tower?
Our Zen tower.
Whoa, how cool.
This one's mine, that one's me.
Don't knock them down, okay? Look at what Ava and Nana made. Is that cool? Oh, Zara wants to make one too.
This one's Nana's, that one's mine.
Cool. They both look great. Zara, you gonna try to build one too? Be careful, don't knock them down. She's
Zara,
gonna knock
make
them
it on the
down.
stick.
Uh-oh. Okay, I think that means it's time to go. You ready to go bye-bye? You ready to go bye-bye? Okay, let's go, okay? Oh, you got a broken rock. Okay, ready? Well, we're wrapping up our trip to Forks, out on the push, hanging out at some of the beaches. We're just finished Kalaloch Beach and seeing the Tree of Life. We're headed back to the car, and we're gonna probably have about a 3-hour drive home. So we're gonna get out of here.
Go get some food.
Zara, you coming? You bringing up the caboose? You got sandy hands?
This is Kalaloch.
It's called Kalaloch Beach.
You're close.
Kalaloch? Kalaloch? I mean, it could be. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
Time to go home.
Hi guys, thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like this subscribe button. Bye. Bye.